Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NTCF token. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing just starting today, October 28th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced HOTBIT will launch NTC Finance on October 28th, which is today. Trading opened at 7 a.m. UTC time. Ticker symbol is NTCF. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a HOTBIT account, I do have a HOTBIT referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that HOTBIT referral code down there. You would fund your account with USDT. You would go into the trade section. You can click on global on the trade section and then search NTCF, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. The cool thing about HOTBIT is there's lots of investing strategies on HOTBIT where you could put your tokens in DeFi farm pools, you could stake them, put them in lockups, loans, all sorts of things where you could earn really high APY, which is like interest, annual percentage yield on your tokens. So definitely check out that HOTBIT referral code down there if you don't have a HOTBIT account. Now, their official webpage is NTCFinance.com. This is a BEP20 token. There is 5 billion tokens total supply. On HOTBIT, it says NTC Finance aims to bring the natural conservation and finance together by rewarding people for contributing to sustainable projects all around the world. NTC Finance's main goal is to give contributors transparency of the money flow. NTC Finance aims to contribute to as many natural conservation projects as possible. Now, according to their BSC scan, there is 18 decimal places on this token, and it doesn't look like this token is available on PancakeSwap. I was just looking at their BSC scan earlier, and I don't see any PancakeSwap swaps on there at all, so it looks like this token is just available only on HOTBIT. So if you head to their official webpage, you can find different sections like their goals, vision, token information, projects, home section. They have a Telegram. Let's see what their Telegram link is. So their Telegram is /NTCF official. 313 subscribers so far to their Telegram. So NTC Finance aims to bring natural conservation and finance together, contributing to all different projects. On their webpage, they do have a full white paper too that you could click on. Our goal, it says NTC Finance's main goal is to contribute transparency of the money flow. Their solution here, we strongly believe that this current distressing trend cannot be stopped by one single entity. NTC Finance wants to contribute to this goal by collecting funds from the crypto community and increasing the general sensitivity about worrying about natural conservation. Their vision here, they aim to contribute to as many NC projects as possible, and they want to build a community of people who really care about natural conservation and act to help our planet to recover and thrive. NTC Finance, through the distribution governance and the NTC community, intends to increase the distribution of tokens over time if needed to feed the mechanisms of staking and bonuses used to encourage the adoption of NTC tokens and funded natural conservation projects. So basically it's split up like this. So 40% of the tokens go to the ecosystem. 20% of the tokens go to advisors and early partners. 20% go to marketing. 10% go to team, and 10% go to initial liquidity. On their roadmap here, they're starting in Q4 2022 with launch of the project, publication, website publication, token creation, project team composition, assurance of natural conservation token, and then listed on a central exchange, which is HOTBIT. And then next year, Q1, we're going to have natural conservation token platform development completed. Q2 next year, natural conservation token completion of platform ecosystem construction. And Q3 next year, continuous expansion and upgrades. So it says, get to know us. The natural conservation issues a project intends to support desertification, plastic and waste recovery, research, pollution, transportation. The initial stage, they give priority to limited, fundable, and achievable projects, leaving extensive and worldwide projects to the next stage of the program. Now, if you head over to their white paper, let's see if that works here. So it does work. It's a 17-page white paper, PDF. And let's see here. So on here, they start with abstract. And it talks about, their roadmap's on here as well. So table of contents, they go over introduction, their goals, the token, mechanism work, project, requirements of a project, roadmap, first steps, and then disclaimer. So they want to have the benefits of our approach here. It says transparency and traceability, incentive, simplicity, and anonymity. And this runs on the Binance Smart Chain, of course. And yeah, so I mean, there's a lot of info on their page here. So they're going to have project voting, basically. So it's kind of like a DAO token, a governance token. You can, by holding the token, you can kind of vote on which project you think is that you want to contribute to. And yeah, so you can check out all this detailed info on their white paper here. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy to navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.